Hey guys, welcome to my channel Play with Sum and I'm Sum. So guys, do you know which game I'm playing now? You can know or you can't know, okay? So today I'm playing Scary Neighbor 3D. I know this is a different game, but it's interesting. So I'm gonna tell what will happen in this game. There will be a very cruel neighbor, rude neighbor who came from asylum. For me, means I think he came from asylum as he is very cruel. Means does cruelty towards animals, children that I don't like. So to teach him a lesson, I gonna prank him. So let's play. Okay, let's prank him. This one, go bananas, and let's see what happens in this prank. Okay, let's make sure the neighbor realizes he needs to stop monkeying around. Yes, he needs to stop monkeying around. We can't handle it anymore. So for that, what we should do? Let's see. What? He locked a gorilla. And now? What happened? What? Pet the gorilla? I told you he came from asylum. Sure, I'm sure. So at first we have to do make the gorilla attack the neighbor. So to do this we can't go too much near the gorilla or else the gorilla will attack us. So let's see what is this pie and what is kept on the table. What was that? What was that? Use lock key to unlock the gorilla. And what is this? Golden bananas. Use banana to distract the gorilla. Okay, let's see what happens. What should we do? Wait, where is the neighbor? Is the neighbor coming from this side? No. Okay, use distract. Okay, if we give a banana to the gorilla and then we unlock the gorilla. Okay, let's unlock the gorilla fast and let's run. Guys, I'm having a guess that what will happen. For me, it will happen that the gorilla is unlocked, and the gorilla is unlocked, the neighbor doesn't know, and when again the neighbor will go to beat the gorilla will attack the neighbor. It will happen very nice. So let's see what happens in the prank. I sat down and let's see. Okay, the neighbor is going. Go to your hell. Go. Guys, let's see what happens. The gorilla will teach him a lesson. Okay, go beat the gorilla. The gorilla. Beat. Good job. Thug life, gorilla. Thug life. So guys, this prank went very nice. So let's go to our second prank, and this second prank is telling the neighbor's relaxing afternoon is about to turn into a nightmare. Yes, I'm gonna turn the neighbor's relaxing afternoon into a nightmare. Of course, I have to. Else how could we teach him a lesson? Wow, two pigeons are sitting on the hammock. What? Beating the pigeons? I'm sure this man has came from an asylum. I'm sure. And now slept on the hammock. I have to teach him a lesson. Okay, now the thing we have to do is find something to mess up the hammock. Okay, what can we find? Let's the neighbor is coming. Run. The neighbor is coming. Okay, I can enter from here and let's find the hammock. First of all, we have to find the hammock. Where is the hammock? Okay, there is no door. And let's find the hammock at first. Where am I going? This house is like a quiz for me. Going from one door and coming from one door. Again, when the door ends, another door in front of my face. Oh my god, I can't live in this house. An asylum house for an asylum man. Asylum neighbor. Okay, we went up and let's find the hammock. Okay, let's see. Okay guys, okay, this is a balcony, and okay, I found this is the balcony which is on the pool. Okay, that is the hammock, guys. I found the hammock. Okay, let's see what to mess up with. Wait, there are two tables. Let's see what is on this table. Okay, hammer. Can we tear the hammock with the hammer? Then the neighbor will not sleep on it. Okay, let's throw this. What is this? Sugar. Sugar. Use the item wisely. How can we use? Wait. I know what to do. I know. I am sure. Okay, now I'll place the sugar on this hammock. Yeah, now done. You know what? Make sure neighbor do not see the content. Wait. Pillow. Yeah, pillow. Covered with the pillow. Run. Now run. Okay, guys. Now I'm sure. And you know what it is, what I'm thinking. The guess. Yeah, I'm thinking that we place the sugar, means that we pour the sugar on the hammock, and now ants will come and attack on the neighbor. Yeah, I don't know. I guess my guess is right. I want to be my guess right. So let's see what happens. Is my guess right? Is my guess wrong? Let's sit and wait for the neighbor to come. Okay, guys, I guess this prank will teach him a lesson. And if you want more parts of this, please comment. And I don't know that these two pranks I'm doing on him today will teach him a lesson or will not teach him a lesson. So you want him to teach him a lesson? You want? Then I'll do more parts of it. You have to comment for that. Then also he will not, means that time also, if he does not learn a lesson, what to do? Again I have to keep him in the asylum. Okay, let's wait for the man to come. What is he doing? Why is he not coming? Okay, I can see that he is coming from the pool side. Okay, now let's see, guys, what happens. And attack on the neighbor. I think, and I want my guess to be right. Okay, sleep. You can see who is coming. Yeah, ants. Your ant army is coming. Yeah, attack the squirrel neighbor. Attack. Yeah, beat the neighbor. Yes. Is the neighbor inside the coffin? Yes, guys, yes. Oh my god, the coffin. Okay, guys, I won this round also. And let's go to the outro. Sorry, I'm telling. Let's go to the outro. And guys, I guess that you like this video, and if you like this video, please give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel Play with Som, and share this video, my channel, to everyone, every friends and family you know, so that they can also subscribe and they can also enjoy a time of their day by seeing my videos. And please recommend me as many games as you can. And please don't recommend horror games, as I don't like to play horror games. Please recommend funny games and comedy games and like this. As many games except horror games, I'll surely play them. And please tell that you want another part of this prank, so that this rude neighbor can teach a lesson, can learn a lesson. If you want, please comment. And bye bye, love from Som. Bye bye.